Hello guys, Big Boss Harper and I'm trading the 5 p.m. candle. This was the first 1 minute candle ya 5 p.m. After it printed, enter buys on the second candle here. As you can see hapa, the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m. ilikuwa inatoa the low of the 4 p.m. candle. And then after imeitoa that first 1 minute candle, sijui kama unaelewa, the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m. ilikuwa inatoa the low of 4 p.m. candle. Then after imeitoa, I just entered buys immediately, and now market is going to buy mpaka kesho. It's just a simple logic. Kuna time yenye you look, kuna time yenye unaonanga like, kuna time market watu inajipredict itself. This is a scenario where you use the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m. to trade. As you can see, the first 1 minute candle taking out the low of 4 p.m. You're gonna see this kind of trades a lot of times. And then my calculation took me to this level, 51, 45, 41. And then the 5 p.m. candle respected that, and I just entered buy. As you can see, Mali, where I entered the first buy, market ilikuja ikaretap and ikabuy. Endelea kutrade order blocks kabisa tu kabisa. Just continue, man. Actually, I swear to God, hii trade nimeenda tu based on time na nikacalculate, hata sijakalculate sana. I just anticipated this level, the middle point of that 1 minute candle ya 5 p.m. Market ikakuja ikaitap, alafu market ikabuy. And please don't think this market it's coming down. Inaendelea tu kubuy, like literally. Hebu angalia precision. Mali nime enter entry, ndio market inakuja ina tap, alafu inarudi buys. Hii market hata isikushtue. As long as the first 1 minute candle of 5 p.m. is the one yenye imetoa the low of 4 p.m. Never panic, brother. Hata ifanye nini, market gotta have to buy. Walai. Like hakuna hata sijui hata waeke pesa gani kwa market, hata wafanye nini, they can't check out this low, this one here. They can't hadi walie na madawa hawaizi. So market is basically buying, and I'm anticipating buys till kuna possibility this market can buy until tomorrow, but this is 5 p.m. 5 p.m. controls the ina control price action ya the next day. Why do I trade 5 p.m. candle? This is why. Niliwaambia Asian session inakwanga accumulation, London session is manipulation, and New York session is distribution. So na every session iko na distribution phase. Every session has a distribution phase. So distribution phase here, the New York session is the distribution of the day. That's why most of the time that's why most of the time you will see that's why most of the time you're going to see market will expand 5 p.m. London session, most of the time you're blowing accounts. 4 p.m. you see a good move, you ain't even in the market. Can you hiyo mnajua kweli? 4 p.m. like you're blowing an account before 5 p.m. Why? 5 p.m. you don't even need to know how to trade, like literally. Just come and gamble. Though no, I don't advocate gambling. Please learn. Please learn. Learn. This is how I trade 5 p.m. every day. This is how I trade the 5 p.m. candle every single day. Sasa kuna series kwa YouTube, nitakuwa na post huko nikiexplain vile nimetake buys za 5 pm cause siwezi make a long TikTok video kama ya leo, ya jana. I made a video live trading ya jana. You can go to YouTube and check. Instead of kuingia live mnanichanganyishanga, unapata hata sijui kenye nafanya. Huyu anasema sell, huyu anasema buy. Sometimes hapana, no. So I will just be just making a video every day 5 pm na post YouTube. You go and see vile nilitrade your 5 pm and labda utagain skills from there. Now we are getting out. See you tomorrow 5 pm and make sure you trade responsibly. And this is Big Boss. Remember, I don't miss.